Hey guys, Dougpool here. It is the weekend after DragonCon, and I am here to bring you my first ever mystery box unboxing video. For those that don't know, I did the Mario Deadpool theme this year, so I got mystery boxes based off those. We have our Super Mario box right here. I apologize for the glare on the screen. I'm right below my ceiling fan, but this is where I can get the most light, so sorry about the glare. Get a good look at the cast. In addition, we have our very large Deadpool mystery box. This thing is really big. And in addition to our purchase, we have a mystery box, which can be pretty much any sort of media related in this tiny little thing. So, without further ado, let's get straight on into the unboxing. So first up, we have our Super Mario box. This thing is surprisingly heavier than the larger Deadpool box, so there's got to be something really good in here. I don't know what it is yet, so let's see what we got. There's the handle, okay. Alright, so... Alright, whoop! Careful. Don't want to cause things to spill over here. Okay. Keep things off camera, keep things a bit of a mystery for you guys. Straighten up this mat. Okay. So first up, we have a 8-bit Mario hat, even with the word Mario written in holes in the bill of the hat. This thing, oh, there's a little tag of it also. Neat. Little show for you guys. Next up, we have a smiling Mario keychain. Neat. We have some, I guess, kids socks. These are too small for me. It's got a little moon and the Mario hat. We have I guess a frame of the Super Mario World for the original Super Nintendo. Classic Mario riding Yoshi. It's the back of it if anyone wants to have a look. If you want to frame this on your wall, this is something for you. We have a Bowser Like a Boss coffee mug. That was probably the heaviest thing in the box. Anyway, we have a Super Mario Premium A5 notebook. And perhaps the biggest thing, well, a 3D Super Mario Bros 3 picture frame. This thing it has a warped picture in it. I don't know how well you can see that in the camera. That's trippy. So all that said, I'll go and pack this all up and we'll open the Deadpool box up next. Alright guys, now it's time to open the Deadpool mystery box. This thing, as I said a few times already, this thing is big. So let's see what we got here. Open it. I want to have as much screen space as possible for you guys, so please bear with me. Okay, oh wow. So first up, we have a Deadpool plush logo pillow. Neat. We have a Deadpool logo gray and red hat. A Deadpool bracelet. I don't think I'll be wearing this. We have a marble Deadpool lanyard. Some more socks. Okay, and we have a Deadpool drinking canister. Okay. What does it say? The best tacos you'll ever have. Okay. From Deadpool's taco truck. Neat. Then we have some Deadpool dog tags. Not actual dog tags, but like the military dog tags. Okay. And the final item in the box is a bit of a notebook. Not sure how well you can see on the screen. Okay, there we go. It's Deadpool riding a unicorn holding a sword. Little notebook. Neat. So not really as impressive as probably the Mario box, but you know, it's all a mystery anyway. It's a game of chance. So let me clean all this up and I will open up the mystery box. And here we are at the finale, the mystery box. This could be any sort of medium media item. I have no idea what it is, so feels very light. It's probably nothing. This one I actually can open up for you. Okay, it's a bit of something Star Trek. Oh, just one item. Okay, that's it. So just it's a Star Trek original series where no man has gone before final figure. So I guess it could be any one of these characters, or even a mystery one at that. I'm not much of a Star Trek guy. I'm more of a Star Wars. So hey, this could probably go to one of you guys. So guys, that pretty much wraps up the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you for Anime Weekend Atlanta. See you later.